Hey everybody, this is part two of the video on revision in the portfolio, final portfolio. Just a quick addendum to the last video on the contents of the portfolio. Here, you'll turn everything in at Blackboard under the electronic portfolio content area, and I'll show you that in a second. But I just want to kind of survey the things that are supposed to be in the electronic portfolio. One is a cover letter. And the cover letter is a document designed to just announce the purpose of your letter, to highlight the revisions you made for each paper, and to share what you learned or didn't learn as a result of the process. And then there's going to be a draft and final version for paper 1 and 2. This is going to kind of take care of itself, and I'll explain in a second, and then a draft and a final for paper 2. And then there should also be a reflection essay. This is going to be, I would say, 1.5 pages on the public turn. This is the complement to your public turn proposal. You wrote the public turn proposal before you did the public turn. You did the public turn, and now to bookend the process, I'd like for you to take some time to reflect on, for instance, why you chose the media that you did. What challenges and triumphs did you encounter along the way? What works well and what doesn't? And you're not going to, go ahead and be honest. I work with technology all the time, and I encounter disasters all the time too. And you just, that's sort of part of that. Just kind of comes with the territory. And then what you learn from the experience. Okay, now turning the portfolio in. This should all look pretty familiar. If you just go to our class webpage and, oops, the thing popped back out. Hold on. You go down in the left-hand panel to electronic portfolio. And here's where you will turn everything in here. Okay, here's an assignment for the cover letter. You'll turn in your final draft of paper 1 here. I've set this to allow multiple submissions. So you've already turned in your draft here. And then when you complete your final version, you'll just go here and turn it in again. And then I'll be able to see, because what I see on my end is, attempt 1, attempt 2, attempt 3, attempt 4. And I'll know that your first attempt is your draft, and that your final attempt is your final version. And I also added an assignment here for the public turn reflection essay. So the entire contents of your electronic portfolio right here, and you just turn everything in here. And of course, if you have any questions about this process, or if you have questions about, as you're working on your documents for the portfolio, please email me. Feel free to come by during my office hours. I'm typically there Monday through Wednesday, 12 to 3-ish. So you could just pop on in. And have a great Thanksgiving. And I'll talk to you after the holiday. Bye-bye.